Good morning children. Today we are going to learn 10th class English. So in 10th class English we are going to learn under Unit 2 B1 Nana. See, in the previous videos we have learned Unit 2A Dear Departed 1. So that first part, the second part, both are continuation. Okay, so before we enter into second part, small recapitulation that we came to know that Mr. and Mrs. Henry, they have confirmed that Abel Merriweather was dead and they have sent a telegram to Ben and Elizabeth. So meanwhile when they come, they wanted to shift the properties or the valuable things of Abel Merriweather from first floor to downstairs. So like that they have shifted a bureau and a nice clock. So when Elizabeth and Ben came, before they go and see the body, they had a tea. While they were having the tea, both sisters, Amelia and Elizabeth, they had a quarrel regarding the leftover valuables of father. So while the sisters were quarreling, their husbands, Henry, Ben, supported them. So finally we had a conclusion that Victoria, daughter of Amelia and Henry, was asked to go upstairs to get the bunch of keys. So the girl unwillingly, reluctantly, she went upstairs, came back and hid herself behind her father, saying that a grandfather is getting up. So we had a twist in the end of the lesson in part 1. That is Amelia saying grandfather is getting up. Adi twist. Part 1 lo manaku twist endi nana? Tata padukunna ayana legustunnadu. When all these four were shocked, we can able to hear the door sound, opening of the door sound, and Abel, though he has crossed 70 years, still he was healthy. Okay, they have mentioned something like the steps, the walking style is steady, his eyes are malicious, like both shining. అడుగులు బాగా గట్టిగా వేస్తున్నాడు, స్టడీ గట్టిగా వేస్తున్నాడు, ఆ కళ్ళల్లో నుంచి మెరుపు అలాగే ఉంది. In spite of the coming to the age of more than 70 also, he is a steady person. So that was the twist we have seen in part 1. So let's start with Dear Departed part 2. Okay Nana? Yes, let's start this part 2. Okay, see, Abel, now he comes down and he starts to addressing the people. See, Abel, what's the matter with little Vicky? He sees Ben and Mrs. Jordan. Hello, what brings you here? How's yourself, Ben? Abel thrusts his hand at Ben, who skips back smartly and retracts Miss Jordan to a safe distance below the sofa. Mrs. Slaughter, approaching Abel gingerly. Father, is that you? She pokes him with her hands to see if he is solid. Abel, of course it's me. Don't do that, Amelia. What's the devil do you mean by this tomfoolery? See, the words tomfoolery, all these things are the American English words. Okay, beta. Miss Jordan, you took us by surprise. Father, are you keeping quite well? Abel, trying to catch the words. Hey, what? Miss Jordan, are you quite well? Abel, hey, I am right enough, but for a bit of headache. Looking at Amelia, what the dinkins did I do with my new slippers? Okay, Miss Slaughter, confused. Aren't they by the hearth, Father? Abel, I don't see them. Observing Henry trying to remove the slippers. Why, you have got them on, Henry. Okay, next scene, Anna, next page. Miss Slaughter, promptly, I told him to put them on to stretch them. They were that new and hard. Now, Henry. Miss Slaughter, snatches the slipper from Henry and gives them to Abel, who puts them on and sits in the armchair. Miss Jordan to Ben, well, I don't call that delicate, stepping into a headman's shoes in such haste. Victoria runs across to Abel and sits on the floor at his feet. Victoria, oh grandpa, I am so glad you aren't dead. Miss Slaughter in a vindictive whisper, hold your tongue, Victoria. Abel, hey, what's that? Who's gone dead? Miss Slaughter, loudly, Victoria says she's sorry about your head. Abel, thank you, Vicky, but I'm feeling better. Abel, why Ben, you are in mourning, and Lizzie too, and Amelia and Henry and little Vicky, who's gone dead? It's someone in the family? He chuckles. Miss Slaughter, no one you know, father, a relation of Ben. Abel, and what's relation of Ben? Miss Slaughter, his brother. Ben, to Miss Slaughter, damn it, I never had one. Abel, dear, and what was his name, Ben? Ben at a loss. He crosses to front of the table. Miss Slaughter, right side of the table, prompting Frederick. Miss Jordan, left side of the table, prompting Albert. Ben, Fred, Alab, Isaac. Abel, Isaac, and where did your brother Isaac die? Ben, in Australia. Abel rising, well, I suppose you have only been waiting for me to begin tea. I am feeling hungry. Miss Slaughter, taking up the kettle, I'll make tea. Come along now, sit you down and let's be jolly. Abel sits at the head of the table facing the spectators. Okay, Nana. Now see here in part 2, the starting is like this. Already in part 1 ending, we have seen Abel is coming downstairs. Yes or no? So the part 2 begins like this. Abel comes down and he sees everyone standing there. Okay. Then he asks the little girl Victoria. Victoria's nickname is Vicky. Hey Vicky, what is the matter? Vicky, ఏమైంది? ఏం జరిగింది? Then he observes Ben Jordan and Elizabeth Jordan. First Vicky తో మాట్లాడిన తర్వాత Ben Jordan, Elizabeth Jordan ఇద్దరిని చూస్తాడు. See, Ben Jordan, Elizabeth Jordan did not come to that place since last 10 years. Yes or no? Suddenly he could able to see them. Then he feels what was the reason for their presence. 10 years నుంచి రాని వాళ్ళు సడన్గా వచ్చేసరికి రీజన్ ఏంటో కనుక్కోవాలనుకుంటాడు. Just he gives a shake hand to Ben. See, though Abel was 70 years, more than 70 years, we have already learned he was healthy. He just gives shake hand in such a way, Ben was afraid of his shake hand. And he just hits his shoulder. So immediately Ben went and hid himself near the sofa behind his wife. Okay, next Abel, now Mrs. Slaughter, Amelia, she's a little bit of confused. Arey, what is this? Already father has died. How he was? Then Amelia asks, is it okay father? Everything is fine. While she's talking, she just touches, she pokes the father. Amelia వాళ్ళ నాన్నతో మాట్లాడుకుంటానే is everything okay అని చెప్తూనే వెళ్ళి వాళ్ళ నాన్నని పోక్ బెటా POKA poke, push చేస్తుంది. Then Abel gets angry. Hey, what happened to you? Hey Amelia, ఏమైంది? ఎందుకు అట్లా చేస్తుంది? Then second daughter Elizabeth, she asks, father, is everything right with you? నాన్న మీతో అంతా బాగానే ఉందా? Then Abel says, no, everything is right, only I had a little bit of headache. Because of that headache, I went into a sleep. Now, Abel, he asked to Amelia, what had happened to my slippers? Before I went into sleep, I just kept my slippers near the bed. No, slippers are not there. Where I have kept? So when father is asking the slippers, Henry tries to remove that slippers. Then Amelia says, no, they are on the floor only. So the words which you see in this lesson, no beta, they are of mostly American words which generally we won't use. We follow British English. Okay beta. Amelia says they are on the floor only. అవి అక్కడే నేల మీదనే ఉన్నాయి కదా. Meanwhile, Henry, the slippers are very small to him. Yes or no? They are very tight. So he starts to remove that slippers. Abel says, oh, it is you gave to Henry to wear. అంటే నా చెప్పులు నువ్వు హెన్రీకి ఇచ్చావా వేసుకోమని. Then Amelia, very promptly, sharply, immediately she says, no, father, as yours are new one, in order to make them to stretch, I asked him to wear. అవి కొత్తవి కదా కొంచెం సాగుతాయి అని వేసుకోమన్నా. Okay, then immediately Elizabeth, she points to Ben and says, see the culprits, see the thieves. They even have stolen the slippers of father also. Okay, Nana? ఏమంటుంది ఎలిజబెత్ వాళ్ళ వైఫ్ హస్బెండ్ని చూసుకుంటా, చూడి దొంగ వెదవలు ఆఖరికి చెప్పులు కూడా దొంగతనం చేసి. అట్ దట్ టైమ్ విక్కీ, షీ సేస్ టు గ్రాండ్ ఫాదర్, తాత, ఆర్ యూ ఆల్ రైట్, ఆర్ యూ నాట్ డెడ్? దెన్ ఏబుల్ ఆస్క్, హే వాట్ హ్యాపెండ్, వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ యు ఆర్ సేయింగ్? దెన్ అమీలియా వెరీ హార్ష్లీ షీ విస్పర్స్, షట్ యువర్ మౌత్. అమీలియా చాలా కోపంగా రూడ్గా బిడ్డని తిడుతుంది, నోరు మూసుకోవాలి చిన్నగా. హెన్రీ, హే వాట్ హ్యాపెండ్ విక్కీ? దెన్ అమీలియా సేస్, నో షీఈస్ వరీడ్ అబౌట్ యువర్ హెడ్. మీ హెడ్ మీన్స్ హియర్ హెడ్ ఏక్ నాన్న, మీకు తలనొప్పి వస్తుంది అన్నారు కదా, దాని గురించి తను బాధపడుతుంది. దెన్ హెన్రీ, ఏబుల్ సేస్, ఎస్ ఐఎమ్ ఆల్ రైట్ నౌ విక్కీ, నో వరీస్, మై హెడ్ ఏక్ హ్యాస్ gone. Now Abel is sitting in the sofa and Amelia, Victoria, she goes and sits on the floor near to her grandfather. Now this shows the connection between grandfather and the the granddaughter is they both love one another. ఆ తాత మనవరాల మధ్యలో ఒకరంటే ఒకరికి ప్రేమ. Okay beta. Now see, after sitting there, Elizabeth and they also ask, everything is right father, is your health okay? Then he says, no, I am all right, why you are all asking like that? Now he observes everyone in the family, they are all wearing mourning dress. In the part 1 we have learned to know beta, mourning, santapam. Okay, when we exhibit any mourning, then we will change our dress. So particularly to that area they were using the black dress. Is that clear? Now ఏంటి ఎవరికి బాధ చెప్తున్నారు? అందరు బ్లాక్ డ్రెస్లో ఉన్నారు. బెన్, ఎలిజబెత్, అమీలియా, స్లాటర్ అండ్ ఆల్సో విక్టోరియా, ఆల్ 5 members why you are in black dress? Is everyone is okay? No? Anyone has died in the family? ఏంటి ఫ్యామిలీలో అందరు బాగానే ఉన్నారు కదా, ఎవరైనా చనిపోయారా అంటే, దెన్ అమీలియా సేస్, a relative of బెన్ వాళ్ళ చుట్టం చనిపోయాడు. Who is that relative? Abel asks. Ben's brother. Who is saying? Amelia is saying. ఎవరు చనిపోయారు? బెన్ వాళ్ళ బ్రదర్. Then Ben, hey Amelia, damn it, I doesn't have a brother at all. How you are saying like that? Okay, he whispers to Amelia. Now Abel is asking to Ben, what is the name of your brother? మీ తమ్ముడి పేరు ఏం పేరు అంటే, బెన్ యాక్చువల్లీ హీ డజంట్ హ్యావ్ ఎ బ్రదర్, వాట్ టు సే ఆల్సో హీ డజంట్ నో. నౌ హీ మూవ్స్ టు ద ఫ్రంట్ ఆఫ్ ద టేబుల్. ఆ టేబుల్కి ముందుకు జరిగితే, టు వన్ సైడ్ ఎమిలియా ఇస్ స్టాండింగ్, టు అదర్ సైడ్ ఎలిజబెత్ ఇస్ స్టాండింగ్. సో అమీలియా సేస్, వాట్ అమీలియా సేస్ దట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ యువర్ బ్రదర్, సే ద నేమ్ యాజ్, yes, she says, Ben starts to say okay nana, as Ben doesn't know what is the name, he starts to say it as then Amelia prompts to her, Frederick. Okay, Ben is standing in front of the table, he's saying as okay, then Amelia told it as Frederick. She's standing to the left side of the table. Now to the right side of the table, that Miss Jordan is standing. She's saying Frederick. Okay, table ki mundu Ben unnadu. Left side Amelia. right side Elizabeth. So Ben he told it as she gave a prompting as Frederick. Now Elizabeth gave a prompting as Albert. Now the new name came, see Nana. What was the new name is Frederick Isaac Isaac. Fred Isaac Albert. Okay. Then Abel understood it as Isaac. Okay. Abel came at the main peru Isaac. Now Abel is asking from which place do he belongs to. Then they say that he belongs to Australia. Okay, ఏ ప్రాంతానికి చెందినవాడైనా అని అడిగితే ఏం చెప్తారు? ఆస్ట్రేలియా. Then Abel says, no, come on, I am feeling hungry. Let's have tea. Let us all sit together and enjoy some tea. Then Mrs. Slaughter very immediately she goes and she places the kettle on the stove to prepare the tea. So meanwhile everyone they were being seated in the dining table, near the dining table, and Abel was sitting in the high chair. And high chair means suppose if this is the dining table, here like this we will be having the chairs. No beta, this is called as high chair, where you can able to face all the spectators. Okay, ఇలా కూర్చున్నప్పుడు ఈ చుట్టూ ఉన్న వాళ్ళందరినీ కూడా చూడొచ్చు. Spectators means the persons who are sitting to these sides. Is it clear? So up to here we have completed. Remaining we'll see in the next part. Okay.